What's the meaning of consult? Consult. Consult.
Consult. Consult. The term consult refers to seeking expert or professional advice from a person or an organization. It is a process of getting guidance, recommendations, or opinions on a specific topic or issue. Consulting services are usually obtained by individuals, companies, or institutions to help them make informed decisions, solve problems, or improve their performance. Consultants use their knowledge, skills, and experience to provide tailored solutions and support their clients in achieving their goals. Effective consulting can result in increased efficiency, profitability, innovation, and competitiveness for the client.